Yeah, you already know. And my money team. We doing wheelies out here. You see it, motherfucker.
From the top of the key for been on the game as long as he can will you swing. Turn the corner, spin, bust that ass and get up. Dust off the mask, curl a laugh, give him a head up. He got jumped, pumped with adrenaline. He said it made him tougher than a rumble with a medicine. To write all night long, the hourglass is still slow. Go from hellborn to free power like Lil Cole, and still hold bills. Pay dues forever, slave dues when it comes to who's more cleverer. Used to war leather goose V with the fur collar, and charge the fee for loose leaf words per dollar. You heard holler, broader dude, we need food. Eat your teams for sure, the streets you see food. For fam like the partridges, for the mix-up, battle for your tongue cartridges. Or put your kicks up, it's a stick on a boom, drum, vac, pong. There's that news van again, act like you knew like toucan salmon. Eat rappers like part of a complete breakfast. Their rhymes ain't worth the weight of their cheap necklace. String them up, bring them up under whack junk snack. And get that out your hand, punk, jump and get your junk smacked. Foul, we all know the rules, bro. You slow, you blow the super, you fools. His own boss like